Units 9 to 10, Prepositions and Conjunctions. Which of the following is a preposition? Under, run, slowly, laugh. The right answer is under. Which sentence uses a preposition? The dog is barking. He quickly ran away. They are happy. The cat jumped over the wall. The right answer is the cat jumped over the wall. Choose the correct preposition. The book is dash the table. At, in, on, with. The right answer is on. Which of the following is a conjunction? Table and loudly, read. The right answer is and. Choose the correct conjunction. She is tall dash smart. Or but yet and the right answer is and. Which sentence contains both a preposition and a conjunction? I went to school. The dog is under the table and eating. She is running quickly. The sky is blue. The right answer is the dog is under the table and eating. Which of the following is a conjunction? Below, before, fast, but, the right answer is but. Choose the correct preposition. She is hiding dash the tree. Under, behind, in, at, the right answer is behind. Which sentence uses a conjunction correctly? I like cake and cookies. I like cake but cookies. I like cake or cookies. I like cake if cookies. The right answer is I like cake and cookies. Choose the correct preposition. The cat is sleeping dash the couch. Above, over, under, with. The right answer is under.